Well, hello, friends. It is Running Kimono, and this afternoon I wanted to go get a couple little things to fit to get an Ibotta, weekend warrior thing done. And when I was in the store, because of course I'm always scanning to make sure I'm grabbing the right stuff, it was working perfectly. And as I was grabbing my last couple items, this goofy message, "We're having trouble connecting," kept popping up. And even though I was trying to scan stuff and whatever, I just could not get through and it just kept like logging me out. So I actually left my cart in the store, went out in the parking lot thinking, okay, well, maybe I have a really bad signal. Can I open up Ibotta? And this message just kept showing up. So I'm going to let you know this happened to me maybe like a year and a half ago. And I was trying to do some sort of like level or weekend warrior. And when this happened, my receipt was rejected. And then when I tried to submit it again, it was like, "You've duplicated this, blah, blah, blah." So if you're getting this message, you know what I would recommend? Walk away from your Ibotta transaction. And like, I'm trying to do some stuff on the weekend and it's super annoying because I don't want to have to go back later, and then I wanted to get my extra $3, but it's better to walk away than to buy all this stuff and not get compensated for a penny. Yes, you can write their customer service, but I think it took me like a week or a week and a half to talk to somebody, and I had to prove everything and all the rebates were gone. So it was quite messy. So if this does happen to you, just from my experience, you're getting this specific message, walk away. I know a lot of you are in my position where when you have something like do 8 rebates, get back $3, like a weekend warrior, and then there's this February funds thing, you want to try and get in on some of these extra money makers because an extra $13 is nice, but you're breaking it up to get the maximum amount. But if you manage to get the credit for everything you bought a week and a half post, like if you have to correspond with Ibotta, these little bonuses, they're typically gone by the time you get in touch with them. And that's happened to me before in the past. So like I just walked away. I think that's the smartest thing to do. And I wrote something on my Instagram, and a lot of couponers, a lot of very skilled couponers were saying, "Hey, it's happening to me." The couponing with Tiza was saying it was happening at her Walmart as well. And then there were so many people that were saying the same thing. And somebody actually wrote me a message saying that, like a DM saying that it happened to them, and it took about 2 weeks, same timeline as to sort it out because their receipt was getting rejected after the first submission. The second submission, it's already in the computer, so they just say, "Sorry, blah, blah, blah." So then you have to go and explain you were getting this goofy message, blah, blah, blah. It's a huge headache. It's just one of these things that happens once in a blue moon, but I saw this today. I mean, I could have tried and then sent 1,500 messages to Ibotta, but I'm just going to pass on it because that message, it's just it's bad news when it happens, and it doesn't happen very often. They must be doing some sort of maintenance. But if you do see that message, just cancel your order, go back later. But it just kept appearing for me. It started around 4 o'clock Eastern for me. Before I take off, guys, my trip wasn't completely ruined. Lots of these wax melts, if you like your house to smell amazing, lots of the fall scents are now 10 cents each. So they were $2 and they're clearing out to 10 cents. In this store that I visited today, I scanned a bunch of them, and a lot of the pumpkin scents were also ringing up for 10 cents each, which is really great. So if you love wax melts, and you can find this, it's usually on an end cap. Pull out the Walmart scanner or scan it the old-fashioned way with one of those scanners in store. But many of them are ringing up for 10 cents, which is a really great price point because originally 2 down to 10 cents. It's kind of amazing. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you're using Ibotta this weekend and you're getting that goofy message, I would pass on any Ibotta rebate that you're buying because it might be a bit of a headache to get your money back. And that's what I did today. I just said, you know what? I'm going to take a big old pass. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.